Hello students, hope your preparation for JEE Mains 2020 is going very fine. So students have appreciated about our physics videos and now they have requested to give shortcuts about maths. So few shortcuts I have brought how we can solve in a fraction of second, and these are the examinations which has come in your JEE Mains in the past or previous years. Let us go ahead how we can do this question in just a fraction of second. See here. One question in your JEE Mains was asked this: 9 into sine to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta whole to the power 100 minus this. So see there, options were given. So how to do it in 1 second? I know that you will be applying formula, you know formulae, and you will waste time for 1 minute and we don't know whether we will get correct or not. So see here, look to the options and then look to the question. Your question has theta, but your options doesn't have theta. So blindly put theta as 0 in the question because your answers does not want theta. So when we put theta as 0, your sine 0 terminate to 0 and cos 0 will terminate to 1. 1 to the power 100, 1. And this entire term will terminate to 0. So 1 to the power 100, 1. And 9 into 1, 9. Minus 0, so you can see 9. See how we did it in a fraction of second. Now, similarly, let us take one more question of trigonometry. This was a question of your JEE Mains, maybe 2011 or 2010 to 2016. So see how to do it. They have given tan alpha this value and what is the value of alpha plus beta. Similar manner, not to worry and not to waste your time in writing the formulas. See, question has m, but option doesn't have m. That means your answer doesn't want or demand m. So put m as 0 in the question. The moment you put m as 0 in the question, you will get alpha as 0. Tan beta, here if you put m as 0, you will get tan beta as 1. So which value of tan beta is 1? 45. That means beta is 45 means pi by 4. So 0 plus pi by 4 is how much? Pi by 4. See how simply we did it. One more we will take up with your trigonometry questions. So now it's a different version. Here you have theta in your question also as well as in your options also. Both thetas are there, but need not to worry at all. So first put theta as 0. See, it's not necessary to put 0 only. You can put any angle, 30 also, 60 also, 45 also. But best is 0 degree because both will give you the same value. So when you put theta as 0 in the question, let us see what you are getting. The moment you put theta as 0, this entire term will terminate to 0. So left over is 4. Root over of 4, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Root over of 4 is 2. Now question is done. So what you have to do? Put here in the options theta as 0. And see whichever gives you 2 is the right answer. So put here theta as 0. Cos 0, 1. So 2 into 1, 2. That's it. This is the answer. No other options are going to give you theta as, answer as 2. So it is the first option. Let us come to the next. This is your AP question. The question was S1, S2, S3 are the sum of APs in the sum of the series, and N1, N2, N3 are the number of terms. So they have asked the value of this. So after seeing these questions, automatically students goes to the next question. Because sir, these are variables and this is a constant, how to do it? No. So here you cannot put 0. You cannot put 0 because you have number of terms N1, N2, N3. So what you have to do, our trick will be AP. If we say that 1, 2, 3, all are in AP. AP means common difference must be same. So you see here 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. So that means this our numbers are in AP. So we will take this only as our shortcut. So if N1 as 1, N2 as 2, N3 as 3, we will put and check it out. So when we put N1 as 1, so what is value of S1? Tell 1. So because before 1 there is nothing, so S1 will also be 1. If you put N2 as 2, so your S2 will be 2 plus 1. Previous, just add them. So it will be 3. When we put N3 as 3, so see your S3 will be 6. 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6. Substitute in this, you will get the answer. So when you substitute, you see here S1 1 by 1, N2 minus N3, 2 minus 3 minus 1. Check out here. S2 is 3 by 2 into 3 minus 1, 2 plus 6 by 3 because S3 you have got as 6. So 6 by 3 into n1 minus n2 means minus 1. Over. Solve this question. The moment you solve it, you see what you are getting? Minus 1. Check out here. Plus 3. See here. Minus 2. So minus 3 plus 3, how much? 0. Answer reflected. So you don't have to struggle with formulas. Now see here. Now when the questions come in logarithm, by seeing the question only students thinks, let us go to the next question. So these all small questions gives you selection. And these all are very important for your ranks also. So see here also do not worry. They have told that these all are in AP. These all are in AP. That means, and n value in your options, if you see there is nothing n1, n2, n3. Just one homogeneous n you can see. That means, if I put n as 1, I should get the first term. If I put n as 2, I should get the second term, ln 12. If I put n as 3, I should get ln 36. If I put n as 4, ln 108. Okay. So what we will do, we will try to take the minimum one, that is n as 1. So if I put n as 1, I must get answer ln 4, the fourth term. So let us see, put n as 1 in the option, whichever gives you ln 4 is the right answer. So I think if you put n as 1, see n as 1, so 1 minus 1 0, this entire term terminates to 0. N as 1 here, so this becomes 1. So 1 into ln 4, ln 4. That means this answer, this option is giving you the right answer. No need to go ahead to check the other options. See how it is simplified with this magical shortcuts. Now let us little bit go to your limit questions. These all questions are a torture to the many students. From first PU till second PU, you people all struggle with that limit question. But see how you can do it in a fraction of a second. See, when this type of questions are given, you need not to worry at all. So what you have to do is, you have to check the degree. I have just made the degree same. So see here, because you can vary also and you can get the answers. So if you see the degree of numerator and denominator, if their degree are same, if degree of numerator and denominator degree are same, nothing to do at all, because your answer becomes the coefficients of the highest degree. Done. So it is final. Over. If they are giving you variation, they are making you degree of a denominator less than the numerator, answer will terminate to infinity. If degree of numerator is becoming less, then your answer will go to 0. So you can solve it. You can solve by basics also. If you have to solve by basics, divide numerator and denominator by the highest degree, you will get the answer. But in your JEE mains and your CET entrance, you don't have time to apply formulas. Directly you can get the answer. Now here, few questions I have taken. This question is of integration. Integrations, the people don't understand how to do, how to initiate and what to do. So see how we can do in just 1 second. So this question has been asked in your CET. So see, look to the powers. So sine and cos both have power. Now your main target should be the odd power. Don't look to the even power at all. So which has odd power? Sine. So the moment you see, okay, sine has odd power, so substitute it co-functions. That means t equals to cos x. And your answer is done. Because it's done by substitution, but you have to just substitute and your answer is done. So that means the moment you substitute, first look to the odd power, sine has the odd power. Substitute its co-function and next take the answer. How? Your answer is going to come in cos. So both you have two terms you can see and both terms must be in cos. So now the next problem is the powers. So definitely answer is going to come in cos means this term and this term is terminated. So your answer is going to be from A and C. So see how to do it. Now look to the powers of both. Sum the powers. 3 plus 2, 5. That means your answer is, in the answer your highest power must be 5. So here also it is 5, here also it is 5. Still doubts are there. Now 5 is an odd number. So your answer must come in odd numbers. So see here 5. The highest answer odd number should be 5. And before 5 is 3. It is 3 given here. So but be careful here. Both here also you have 3. Here also you have 3. Then which answer to tick? Always keep it in your mind that cos series goes minus plus minus plus. Sine series goes plus minus plus minus. Tan series goes plus 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 plus. So here your answer, see here, cos series minus plus, automatically your answer is this. Without looking at directly, you can solve the answers. So in 1 second you could have solved this and got correct answer. See students, the math shortcut, how it is magical, and within a fraction of a second you can solve any questions without applying any formula. Please subscribe our channel, like the channel, and give comments how you have liked the videos. And again we will come up with the next level of magical shortcuts to help you out or to make your selection easy in the journey of your JEE and CET exam. Thank you.